So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to send a gift card to somebody here on Etsy. So once you've opened up your Etsy account, what I want you to do is to go to this top bar, slide it all the way to the right to where it says gift cards, go ahead and press on that. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and where it says shop now, you can go ahead and select on a gift card. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where it says customize your gift card. So first and foremost, you can pick your design. So if you want to go ahead and select different designs for your gift cards, you can go ahead and do that. Just like that. You can also go to the right here and select how much you want the gift card to be worth. So you can just select a default amount for them or a custom amount. So if you wanted to do like $150, you can do that. You can select your method of transporting or I guess sending the gift card. So for me, only our email is an option for them. You can type in the name, the person's email, a little message if you're looking for that as well. You can also say who it's from, when do you want to send it, and once you're done, you can go ahead and press on add to basket, check out, and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to send a gift card to someone here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.